Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Ads Manager, run B2B advertising campaigns step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website by entering www.linkedin.com in the address bar. If you are not already logged in, enter your LinkedIn credentials. Provide your email address or phone number in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, locate the work icon at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Hover over the work icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and click on Advertise. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. In the Campaign Manager, if you have multiple accounts, choose the correct account from the drop-down menu. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account to set up a new LinkedIn Ads Manager account. Fill in the required information for your advertising account. After the account setup, you will land on the Campaign Manager dashboard. From here, you can start creating your B2B advertising campaigns. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin. Select your campaign objective that aligns with your business goals. Once chosen, provide the necessary details, including audience targeting, budget, and ad formats. Review your campaign settings before launching. Finally, click on the Launch Campaign button to activate your B2B advertising campaign. Follow these steps to effectively log in and manage your campaigns on LinkedIn Ads Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.